This section covers the Live People feature under the Productivity tab in TeamTrace. After logging in, navigate to Productivity and select Live People. This interface displays all users for the day, organized into 3 categories: those currently logged in and active, those on break, and those who have not yet logged in. An overview at the top shows how many users are working on projects, tasks, and activities, respectively. Beside the overview, a list view displays all users across individual tabs. Clicking the camera icon next to any user opens their live screen. The globe icon displays that user's live location from which they are accessing their work system. Use the filter options to narrow the list by department, project, or name. The Leave tab displays a record of leaves taken by users within your organization for the same day.